take 5.5.
Okay, Richard Pollard, who is 5, and he's from Bloemfontein, and he asked, is there static electricity on the space rockets? You know, like when you brush your hair, does your brush make it all staticky and stand up? I wanted to read what he wrote here.
Well,
he
when I brush
it's
my hair, it stands up. Well, static electricity is alive and well on Space Station. And it doesn't so much have anything to do with being in space. It's just you've got atmosphere, you got pressure inside, and there's all kinds of materials that when you rub, similar to scuffing across the carpet down here, you will generate static electricity. And the fascinating thing is there's no gravitational forces that overpower the static electric force. So you can see static electricity do things in a weightless environment that are hard to observe here on Earth because gravity overpowers the effect.
So one day, Ron Guerin and I on our expedition did just the coolest experiment, and it was actually proposed by kids, and that was all about static electricity, where the kids on the ground had tried to see what happens when I have like a little stream of water coming out of maybe a faucet, and they take something that's charged, like tubing, where they've rubbed it back and forth and it's all static, and they hold the tubing next to the little stream, and when they hold the tubing there, the stream actually bends toward it or away, which is really cool. So we wondered, well, what would happen on Space Station? So Ron and I took some tubing, and we couldn't make it just hang because everything's going to float around. So we stretched it across the whole module, and we rubbed it until it was really staticky, and then we took water from one of our drink bags, and you know the water comes out of this little straw part, and we squirted the water, and let's say my arm is the tubing. We squirted the water.
And here's the drop.
And it would go, and it would try to get away because it really wants to keep going the way it was going, but then it would get caught by the attraction here, and it would come back, and it would go around and around, and it orbited the tubing. It was the coolest experiment proposed by kids.